Okay, next we are going to make our cute little sock snowman. Okay, so for this craft, all you're gonna need is your little goodie bag, which has one sock, two rubber bands, a ribbon, and two pipe cleaners. You'll also need a bag of rice, and if you have extra rice at home, you might want to grab it if you want to make your snowman a little bit more plumpy. It's up to you. You're also going to need some markers and some scissors. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut the sock. So the bottom piece of the sock is going to be for the body, and this top piece here will be for his little beanie hat. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut here just below the heel, okay? And this will be for the snowman body. So just below the heel, I'm gonna cut it there, straight across. Okay, now you're gonna take your rice and we're going to fill the sock. If you have something that you can scoop the rice with, that might make it a little easier. It might take two people. So one person can hold the sock open while the other person scoops the rice in. All right, also too, if it's easier for you, you could just take the bag and you can pour it in. Just be careful. Make sure all the rice goes down to the bottom so you have space up here. You're gonna want enough space that you can put a rubber band and tie it closed, okay? But it looks like also you're going to want to give him a little middle part here. So if he's not looking plump enough, you can add a little bit more rice. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. So now that you have all your rice in there, we're gonna go ahead and close the top. So you're gonna take your first rubber band and tie it around the top here. Okay, so now that you have your first rubber band here at the top, we're gonna go ahead and cinch the middle here and give him his head and then his body. Just like that. Okay, so you'll take your second rubber band, tie that around. Okay, now that you have your second rubber band on him, you can take your ribbon, tie it around. You just want to give him a nice little bow and leave a little extra ribbon at the end. And we're going to cut it to make it a little shorter because we're going to want to make it curl up. So you just take your scissors and you're just going to take it along the ribbon, give it a little curl, just like that. Then you're going to take one of your pipe cleaners, put it around. This is going to be his little scarf. Just twist it around. Just twist it around, and there you have it. You have his little scarf. Now we're going to give him his face and his buttons. So go ahead and take the black marker, and we're going to color his eyes. With the orange, we'll give him his carrot nose. And then we'll give him his big smile by adding some black dots. And there you have his face. Now, you can give him some black buttons or you can give him some colored buttons. I think I'm going to give him some red ones. Just right down the center. And there you have it. Alright, so for his hat, we're going to want to use this bottom or the top piece of the sock. Okay, and we're going to want to cut off the heel part here. So go ahead and cut straight across. And that one you can just get rid of. For the top of the sock, we're going to fold it over. That's going to be the rim. And this part here, you're going to want to have it closed, and we're going to use our other pipe cleaner for that. So you're just going to take it and just wrap it around really tightly. And now you have his beanie. And you can decorate the rim of the beanie if you want to. I'm going to make a little star there. That's right on his head. There you have your cute little sock snowman. Okay, so in your packets, you should have received a bag of candy like this. Also, if you attended the Winter Wonderland book fair, you would have got your tub of frosting and some graham crackers. But if you didn't get those, that's okay. In your packet, you also have a shopping list, which will give you all the items you need to purchase. So if you have your candy, you're good to go unless you want to just get a little bit extra. Also, you could add to your house by purchasing some Fruit Loops, some marshmallows, some pretzels, and you'll just need to get a box of graham crackers and some frosting. So you have a couple different options for frosting if you didn't get your tub. You can make the frosting that we made. The recipe is here for you. It's really easy. It's just a few ingredients. Or you can just get a tub of frosting from the store. So you have those two options. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to lay out some frosting on a plate. So you're going to need a plate and a spoon. Also, for our gingerbread house, we're going to make a small one. So you're going to need 6 squares of graham crackers. So if they come in a sheet like this, go ahead and just break them apart in the center. So if you happen to miss the Zoom session for making gingerbread houses, never fear, I'm going to give you a really quick tutorial so that way you guys can make the gingerbread houses at home. So what you want to do first is get a bit of frosting just in the center of your plate. Kind of make a little circle. So this will give your gingerbread house a bit of a base. And it looks like snow on the ground. So you're gonna start off with 2. These are gonna be your walls. And you wanna put some frosting there on the side. Just like that. This is gonna start holding your house together. Right there in the center of the circle. Do the same thing for the other side. I want to put some frosting there. And there you'll see you have all 4 corners with frosting, so it holds your house together. Okay, now for the roof, you're gonna take 2 more squares and we're gonna make a triangle roof like that. Okay, so to do that, to add some frosting to the bottom. That down for a second. Bottom of the other side. This one, some on the top. Just like that. It's really on the bottom. Sure, it's on the bottom just like that. We are going to put them together. You can add a little bit more if you need to. And there you have it. You are all ready to start decorating your house. So I'm going to start decorating my house and you guys too, and I'll show you how it looks like when it's all done. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching our Family Literacy Day program. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays!